Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to sign up for ManyChat Pro. So guys, first thing that you will do is of course go to manychat.com and sign in into your account. And guys, if you want to go for Pro in the ManyChat, you should be able to see here activate Pro trial, or you can see it over here on the bottom right corner of the screen, activate Pro trial if you want to exceed the contacts limit, or if you don't have these options, you can just simply go to the settings over here on the left side. And after that, you can just simply go to the billing over here. And now, as you can see, you should be able to see here, activate Pro trial. And now just simply click on it. So guys, from here, you can go for marketing automation, which is $15 per month, or you can remove it and you can just simply add the inbox only. So pretty much it will be depending on you, or you can add both guys. And as you can see, you will have here the breakdown, and you can add the many AI chat as well. So you should have here this total. Or if we scroll down further, guys, you should be able to see here the multiple plans. So from here, you can view the full table as well if you click on this. And if we scroll down, you should be able to see here what includes in the plans. So if you go for free, as you can see over here, you will only have these features over here. But if you go for marketing automation, you will have these features over here, and you can go for the inbox as well, and you will have here these features. So pretty much guys, just simply check if you want this feature to be unlocked, and once you want it and once you have decided it, you can just simply click on subscribe over here, guys. And now it will redirect you to the payment details. So of course, just simply provide your email over here, your card information, your expiration date, and your CVC code, and the full name of the card holder, and the billing address as well, and your number over here. And after that, just simply click on save card, and from there, just simply provide all of the necessary information needed in order for you to proceed with this process. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.